Good morning, Dr. Sir.
Hi, Dr. Satyan sir. Very good morning, sir.
What is the importance of education?
Oh, and degrees.
Yes.
Very good, very good. See here, as you know very well, I am student of Andrew Carnegie, Napoleon Hill, Earl Nightingale, William James, James Allen, Abraham Maslow, Abraham Lincoln, and all the great peoples, because I have learned from one of the poem of Longfellow, Wordsworth Longfellow. Lives of great men all remind us we can make our life sublime and departing leave behind us footprints of the sense of time. That is called hero worship, because I always got inspired by my uncle, Mr. Ram Sudesh Chaudhary, that follow the footprints of the greats, Buddha, Vivekananda, and all these successful people. So they have dwelt in length on the theoretical knowledge, that is degrees. They are theoretical knowledge. Degrees, most of the time, education, what you say, they are just theoretical knowledge. What you say, practical knowledge is skill. What is that called? Skill. There may be
Skill.
also degree in skill.
Yes.
Like, your son is a great surgeon. So that is a skill development. It is application of the theoretical knowledge into practicality. First, the person masters the theory and then he puts into practice. And there is the meaning. You understand, my sir?
Yes.
So knowledge has just degrees. You read some books and you master that books, and that's why you see there are a lot of people who say I read daily lot of books, and week I read lot of books, and month I read lot of books. Even Warren Buffett says he reads lot of books. Bill Gates, he says read of books. But I don't agree with these fools. I tell you, they only read the books, never practice in. I'm very sure. You see the Bill Gates, what he did? Every lady has sex with this man. What is that? Had he mastered only one thing, Brahmacharya of Patanjali Yoga Sutra, have control over his sexual urge, because sex is the most powerful emotion on earth. He didn't have the control. Divorce. What is the meaning of reading so many books? Read few things. Intelligently organize the theoretical knowledge into practical form and use in your life. That is called real wisdom. You understand? Degrees has no meaning. I give another example of one of the greatest men of India, of all time great, I can say, my best friend Narendra Modi, the Honorable Prime Minister of India present time. 2 times he had been, 3rd time he is going to be, because he is a practical man. You see what rumors all the anti-political parties made? Unapad Prime Minister. No degrees Prime Minister. The world says he's the most educated, practical man on the planet Earth. You know that? Yes. Maybe Putin, or maybe Zelensky, or maybe Israeli Prime President, what is his name? Netanyahu. Or maybe the Iranian President. You see, all these people love him. Biden, because he's the most educated man. Educated means he has used his knowledge intelligently, organized it, and put it to practical forms. Because he says, one world, one mission, one goal, we have to live together. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. He also says, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, all have to be happy. And also says, Atma Sarvbhutesu. So practicality is most important. Degrees has no meaning. A lot of people go for job to Narendra Modi. He asks, what you can do? Then the people say, hey, I am MBBS, I'm PhD, I'm doctorate. Hey, forget, man. What is the practicality you can do? What you can do? I can teach, forget. Again you will give degree. But what you can do? So Sati Babu, that knowledge is meaningless, that theoretical knowledge is meaningless, which is not intelligently organized and put into practical forms. That becomes skill. So the skill is the valuable things through which you can do a lot of more things in life. Like you see, I am a adventure rider. My name is Pandit Fakir Yogi Birendra Yogi. I thoroughly mastered the knowledge how adventure riding works and put into practice. In that procedures, I dislocated my shoulders because I am putting in practical form. The knowledge I did. I don't like to teach adventure riding course, but there are a lot of fundamentals. Friction zone, balancing, and so on and so forth. Counterbalancing, steering balancing, trail braking, and the stand rising. So in that course I fell down several times, but I mastered the skill. So it is the skill, practicality, which can really apply to the human being and make life better. See the Henry Ford. He was the greatest practical automobile engineer without degrees. Without degrees. They've never passed out Cambridge, Bill Gates or Steve Jobs. They criticize this education. Elon Musk, the modern greatest man or richest man, no degrees. He had degrees. Use your brain. Use your brain. Brain is a supreme intelligent, intricate and accurate machine. If you demand from that, it can give you all the solutions of the problem. People need solution of the problem, not theoretical knowledge. You will be very glad to know that your friend, whatever he learns, literally learns. He does not learn more, put into practice. Patanjali Yoga Sutra I learned, mastered in my life. Today morning you saw what miracle I did. I learned some kind of Archimedes principle and applied it. So, degree is no meaning. If Dr. Satyanarayana is a great doctor today, it is not because of his MBBS, MDH, MCH and so many degrees, because he's used his brain, understood the disease and found out the solution by medication, and he's a successful person. So if anybody wants to be successful in life, he should master the theory and put into practice. One of the greatest Indian, Nobel laureate, Rabindranath Tagore, he never had degrees, but he got Nobel Prize for Gitanjali in 1913. You know, it is the knowledge put into practical forms, intelligently organized, so that people can benefit. I am his great fan. But the mind is without fear and Hades shall die. If nobody listens to you, move along. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr.